Introduction: Importance of choosing the right game engine. Choosing the right game engine is one of the most critical decisions for a game development project. The engine affects everything from game mechanics to graphics and development time. The right engine ensures smoother development, better performance, and a more polished final product. Consider your game's scope and genre. The scope and genre of your game should guide your choice of engine. For 2D games, lightweight engines like Godot or GameMaker are ideal. If you're creating a 3D game with complex physics or high-end graphics, engines like Unity or Unreal Engine may be better suited for your needs. Evaluate your skill level. Your experience as a developer plays a role in engine selection. Some engines, like Unity, offer user-friendly interfaces and extensive tutorials, making them ideal for beginners. On the other hand, more complex engines like Unreal require a deeper understanding of programming and game design but provide powerful tools for advanced developers. Look at platform support. It's essential to consider which platforms your game will run on. Engines like Unity and Unreal offer broad platform support, from PC to consoles and mobile devices. If you aim to release your game on multiple platforms, choosing an engine with cross-platform capabilities ensures smoother development and deployment. Examine available assets and plugins. The availability of pre-built assets and plugins can significantly speed up development. Unity and Unreal Engine have extensive asset stores where you can find animations, textures, and scripts that save time. Engines with large ecosystems provide more flexibility and resources for expanding your game. Consider performance and graphics requirements. If your game demands high-quality graphics and performance, Unreal Engine might be your best option due to its powerful rendering capabilities. For simpler projects, lightweight engines like Godot can offer sufficient performance without the heavy system demands of larger engines. Review community support and documentation. Having a strong community and rich documentation can make development smoother. Unity and Unreal have vast user communities, offering tutorials, forums, and technical support. If you're working on a more niche engine, ensure it has enough resources to help you troubleshoot issues along the way. Think about the learning curve. Every engine has its own learning curve. For developers with limited time to learn a new tool, engines like GameMaker or Construct, which require minimal coding, might be ideal. Meanwhile, more versatile engines like Unity and Unreal require time and effort but offer greater control and functionality. Budget for licensing costs. Some engines come with licensing fees or revenue sharing models, so it's important to factor in costs. Unreal, for example, takes a small percentage of revenue after a certain threshold, while engines like Godot are entirely free. Consider your budget when choosing an engine, especially for commercial projects. Assess future flexibility. Your long-term goals for the game and your career should influence your choice. If you're looking to continue developing games across various genres and platforms, it may be worth investing the time to learn a more complex engine like Unity or Unreal, as these offer broader flexibility for future projects. Conclusion: making the best choice for your project. Selecting the right game engine requires balancing your game's scope, your skill level, and available resources. By considering factors such as platform support, performance, and the learning curve, you can choose an engine that matches your project's needs and ensures a smooth development process.